Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel SRK Photos. In today's video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of AI editing and learn how to add abs or muscular body to our photos using advanced artificial intelligence technology. So if you have ever wanted to have killer abs in your photos, then this is the video for you. I forgot to tell you guys main thing of this AI, that this AI is totally free. You can edit unlimited pictures without any limits. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, open the Play Store app, click on search bar and search TOON Tune Me app. Now just download and install this app. Now click on open to start the app. Now click on allow. You can see this is the effect. If didn't show this effect here, then you can just click on three lines and click on Barbify. Now just click on choose a photo. Click on allow. Now just select your photo and click on that arrow. You need to watch the ad for some seconds, then close symbol will come, then just click on close symbol and here is your final result. Now just click on download to save the picture.